Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these chocolate mud cupcakes with a buttercream filling in the middle that looks like a carrot. You're going to need half a cup and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 9 ounces of milk chocolate, 2 2/3 cups of superfine sugar, 2 sticks and 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 5 extra large eggs at room temperature. You'll also need half a cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of water, 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll also need green sour apple licorice candy or something similar, Oreo cookies. You'll also need piping bags. I forgot to include them here. Sorry. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Take the butter, instant coffee, and water. Combine them in a saucepan. Place over medium heat until they come to a slow boil. Add the chocolate and stir until completely melted. Set aside to cool to room temperature. Take the flour, sugar, cocoa, baking powder, and baking soda. Combine them in a mixing bowl. Then create a well in the center. Pour in the 5 eggs, buttermilk, oil, and the chocolate mixture. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until there's no lumps. This recipe makes 28 cupcakes. Line up your cupcake tin with cupcake liners. Then fill each liner with batter 2/3 full. Bake for 24 to 27 minutes. Check first at 23 minutes. When checking the cupcakes, use a toothpick and insert it in the middle of the cupcake. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. Now once they're done, place them on a wire rack to cool completely. Take your Oreo cookies and scrape off the cream filling and place the cookies inside a food processor to crush them up until they look like dirt. If you don't have a food processor, you can place the cookies inside a Ziploc bag and crush them up with a rolling pin or a cup. I made some chocolate and vanilla buttercream. I colored the vanilla buttercream with orange food coloring. If you guys are interested in how I made my buttercream, please leave a comment below. Use a number 5 Wilton tip to hollow out the center of the cupcake. Using a piping bag, pipe on some chocolate buttercream around the center of the cupcake. Then press the cupcake in the crushed Oreo. Now take your orange buttercream, pipe it directly in the center of the cupcake, and finish with a swirl to make it look like a carrot. To finish, take your sour apple licorice candy and cut 3 even pieces and place them in the center of the cupcake. Okay guys, we're done. Aren't these just so cute? If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!